Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Game version, DLC, or server mods must match, otherwise the Soul Terminal won't register. Next, make sure you have the recommended level and durable gear. Bring melee and ranged options, plus a solid saddle. Once done, scout the map for the terminal's spawn region. Note coordinates, the local time window, and any nearby hazards. Move immediately to the area with minimal downtime, because positioning early determines whether you control the first engagement and can claim terminal access. Once on site, set up buffs and consumables, apply food and stamina boosts, and stock quick heal items so you sustain pressure. Next, clear peripheral patrols, suppress with ranged fire, then sweep in a single, focused melee pass to avoid resets. Make sure to coordinate roles. One player opens the terminal while two flank to cut off reinforcements and one stays on support, ready to revive or resupply. This division reduces chaos, speeds capture, and prevents the terminal from despawning or being lost to a roaming tribe. Finish by executing the activation sequence methodically. Monitor phase timers and respond to staggered waves with burst or kite tactics as needed. Once the terminal unlocks, secure soul output immediately. Transfer or log it to secure storage within the first 60 to 120 seconds to prevent loss. If things go wrong, reset the area and reapply consumables, then change your approach. Kite enemies if you lack tanking, or burst them down if you lacked damage. That one troubleshooting tweak usually flips the outcome fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.